Morning, guys. So it's been quite a while since the COVID-19 situation. So most of the businesses are closed, including the barbers. So I've turned into this shaggy creature. Alright. Let's see how bad it is. Oh my god. So I decided to cut my own hair. So I bought a shaver from Carousell. So this shop is called Momo for You. Let's start the unboxing so I can cut my hair. Oh. Okay. Alright. Actually, I wanted this one, but it's unavailable, so I guess everybody's cutting their own hair. So this is the machine. Look at that. Oh, I guess this is open. Close position. Oh ho ho ho! It works. Have the charging cable and sorts. Yeah. No, this is number one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what A and B is. See if it works. It works again. Shaving my arm hair. Cool. Let's charge it up for a while and let my daughter shave me beard and my mustache, and I'll do the rest.
Hi.
Daughter, my 6-year-old daughter will...
I'm turning 7.
Oh, you're turning 7. Will help me with my mustache and beard. Okay?
This one is a skeleton.
Yeah, skeleton. This is the shaver.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
About the jelly. Okay.
Oh my god.
Make sure it cuts.
Is it coffee? Is it the one with plug?
No, this one cut. This one don't plug.
If it cut though.
It's not like mommy's appellator.
Okay. What if you can do your skin? Oh yeah.
That's why only above the skin. See? Only make it
Sharp.
normal. Let it cut.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Not too fast.
Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Okay, my daughter helped me shave my scruff, my chin scruff. So right now I'll attempt to cut my own hair. Make sure the parting is prominent. I don't accidentally cut beyond my parting. Start with number 2. So this is my first time trying to cut my own hair. So you do the same on the other side. Grow out a bit too long. I can't really tell how many inch. Okay, there was nothing. Number 4. I'm gonna call it the COVID cut. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. And snipping the stragglers. I'm done. Have a shower and let's style the hair. Damn. Alright, time to cut, styling with some pomade.
like I do right now. Don't say you're on the road to the other side, my love.
Rasa susuk sengit ni. So that is my first time cutting my own hair. So I can call it the COVID cut. Let me know down in the comments how I did. Okay, what I did right, what I did wrong, any room for improvement. Definitely room for improvement. Okay, stay safe.